let's see if we can get in to here today. Where do I start? We're going to cut back over on the, can't really see, I'm going to try and get over there. We're going to cut back these, well, all of this. And we're going to try and get in to the door and see what's inside. Right, let's glove up. Oh. And hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit. So I've got some long ass gloves that I'm about to put on. And then I'm going to cut back all of this and see if we can get in. If I can hold everything all at the same time. Trying to stab myself. Right. What I'm going to do, everything I cut back, I'm going to stack behind me and see how we get on. It's quite difficult to film in this little area because I can't step back much further, mainly because of well, that basically. But we've cleared out the area here, which will be good. But in front of the door there. So now let's see if we can get inside and have a little look. As you can see, the door has dropped. That needs to be lifted up, but I think, oh, there is absolutely no brace on that door at all. So I'd need a brace, what, down like that way, which would hold that up like that. Would it be that way? Would it be that way? So if looking from the door from that, would I need to go, I can't work that out. Which way would the brace need to be? So if I could, can I pop them off here and maybe diagonal instead? Or will I just need new bits of wood? Anyway, let's have a look. Make sure we ain't got nothing too buzzy in here, which we don't seem to have. Can't see nothing up in the corners or anything. So the roof is not too bad. I think got a screw coming through there, and I've got some more here. So I think I've screwed the top on and it's come through the wood. So I probably need to get some silicone up on the top there, and I need to silicone those holes up. But apart from all of this shit, which obviously needs to go, the floor is knackered. That's fact. But on the flip side, I found some tools. There's a handle. There's a handle right there. I wonder if I can put that onto that shovel. There's another shovel down there that's minus a handle as well. Okay, not too bad. Got some forks, some rakes, some grass rakes, which is good. Some shears, or some edging shears. I think that might be all the stuff that I got from my mum's, possibly. But it's an old lawnmower. I don't think it's got too wet in here since the last time, obviously. But that is that a fucking nest in there of some description? There's a lot of leaves and stuff, isn't there? Oh, that could be, you know. That could be. But what is it? Is more to the point. I don't think whatever it was or is, it's not living in there anymore. Right, so sorry about the lighting in here. I'm sorry about the recording as well. I have ordered a new tripod and stuff, so hopefully they'll be through. But this is next on the list. As you can see, that doesn't quite fit in there. It probably will if I just tinker a little bit with it, but it's not too bad. But this window here, this is what I've got to be fixing today. But before I do that, let's just quickly sort out the undergrowth. Right, I'm not sure the quality is going to be fantastic, but and you're probably going to get to see my back a lot, but as you can see, the old window is no more. And I'm sorry you're on the piss, but it's how it has to be at the minute. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to board it up. I think that's going to be the best option for now. If I can just find places to store stuff, that would be grand. You down there for now, I think. And if I can just swing the bike round without anything moving. Oh, one of my cats has come to say hello. Oh. Right. Push you over there. Done. Right. Well, that ain't perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but it's a damn sight securer than it was. So there we go. Not too bad. This window's been put in a bit better. That one's on the outside now. Yeah, I'm kind of happy with it. It'll do for now. It'll do for now. But now, got to try and tackle this door. Well, I found some of my tools. What do I need? Oh my God, there's only held in by one screw. Got some screws, some bolts and stuff. What do I need? Try that one. Well, there we have it. I do have to just put a bit of wood right across there, because that is actually straight into the shed. So that definitely needs to be done. But all in all, the door isn't too bad. I could have done with being a little bit more, but I could, I suppose, move that hinge that way a little bit, which would raise that up, but I'm happy with that. That's not too bad at all. And the window is done, and that's done, and then it's just a matter of just, yeah, when we get to trimming all of this, we'll get into doing that. It's these bolts here, isn't it? Those are the ones that have, so the water's running, I think, and there's a bit of a bow just there. I reckon the water sits and it drips through these. Now I did use rubber on the bottoms, but maybe that's not enough. I don't think I can, up one more. Can't see. It doesn't look like it's pooling anywhere. Okay. So everything today, this is what I had to use. Me drill, me, I don't know, this screwdriver thing, a saw which I've never seen so much rust, but still worked perfectly fine, gloves, hammer, some secateurs, drill bits, screws and some nails, and that done everything up there. which I don't think is looking too bad.